Hi there, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today I'm doing a layout for 30 days of sketches with Chrissy's Beautiful Life, and today is day 2, and the sketch is brought to us by Jennifer from Kay's Mum Scrapbooking. A fun sketch, lots of mixed media here, so I'm going to attempt something like that. I don't know how successful I'm going to be. We will see. I'm going to try something different, and if it works you're going to see it in the video. If it doesn't, I'm going to pivot and you won't even see this bit and I'll start again. So fingers crossed, wish me luck. Right, I'm also combining it with my colour cube challenge that I have, and basically I'm using the cards from the colour cubes from Sarah Renee Clark, and I can't remember which way that goes, that way. And I pull a card every month, and I've got some friends playing along, and we use either the colours and or the photo from the card to create a layout. So I am using the colour scheme today, but the fact that it's a hot air balloon sort of fits in with my theme of my photos, because hot air balloons fly and my photos are of kites which fly as well. So I'm tying it in there as well. I'm using Vicky Bouton foundation paper because I'm going to use mixed media. I've got some embellishments here, some extras on the side that may or may not make it onto the page. A couple of different options for titles. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, goodness. Okay, and then I'm just going to move this out of the way. My idea is to use some ink reinkers that I have here. Now these are just old Stampin' Up reinkers, to sort of draw in a wavy type of design here and here, and then colour it out with water. I don't know if it's going to work, so who knows, but I'm going to give it a try. So I'm going to start with the lightest, which is Daffodil Delight, then go to Mango Melody, which is more of an orange, and then to Real Red. So we will see if it works. So, you know. Right, I'm going to fast forward you and put music over the top and wish me luck, basically. Okay, there is my completed page. So this was all an experiment. I had never done anything like that before, and I think it turned out okay. This side I wasn't real keen on. I couldn't quite get the same sort of gradient of colour as I did up there. Like, so down here it didn't look as good. But most of it's covered anyway, so I think that it's fine. I love the gradient of colour with this one. It's probably not the right way to do it, but it worked for me and I think it's okay. Now, I do have a bit of red splotchy here. I can't cover that. I don't want to keep adding embellishments. It'll just be too much. So I'm going to live with it. And it's just, it is what it is. No page we make is ever perfect. We are our own worst critics, but if I don't point that out, people won't focus on it. So the embellishments are a mismatch of embellishments I just picked from all sorts of different manufacturers and brands and stuff from my stash. They all sort of work, even though none of them are themed. I do have a strong theme of love hearts on the page because I found this red vellum. I think it was either Chamel or Vicky Bouton, and I thought, oh, I really want to use that. So then I found the gold hearts. I went, oh, well, okay, I can include them because I have a heart there. And then I came across these two. One's a tag, one's a journaling spot with hearts. And I went, well, they are the right colours, so they blend. And then this had the gold on it, gold glitter already on it. I went, well, that matches these gold hearts. So it all sort of worked in the end. The reason I have so many gold hearts on the page is I just wanted to finish the packet. I broke my rule of uneven numbers for embellishments. There's actually 6 of those gold hearts on the page. So technically, if you add that one, there's 7, so it's okay. But that is my page. I think the colours match my colour cube card this month for March, and I've used the sketch from Jennifer. So that is my page. There'll be a playlist down below for everyone else who is playing along with the 30 days of sketches. If you've liked this layout, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.